Alright, what's up guys? So we're now here in Pop Cycle Center and we're going to do a review of our first bike review this 2025. So if hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell button para lagi kayong ma-notify. Alright, so our first episode for our e-bike or bike review is this Fido C11. So it's called the Fido C11. So we're now here with Sir Leandro and he will teach us and explain about this Fido C11 commuter bike, right?
Hi, I'm Leandro from Pop Cycle and this is the Fido C11. So it's an electric bike with a step-through frame and step-back handlebars. So para siyang Japanese biker Mamachari, they're electric. So it rolls on 700C by 40mm wheels and it has hydraulic disc brakes and a powerful 500-watt motor at the rear hub. In addition, it has a complete set of accessories like fenders, kickstand, a rear rack, and the front and rear lights. Top of that, the stem is also adjustable, so you can change the stem angle according to your preference, and the battery is removable.
How fast can this bike go?
45 kilometers per hour.
Oh.
Yung max niya.
So this is a combination of e-throttle ba tawag dyan?
So it's a throttle and a pedal assist.
And a pedal assist. So sabay.
So meron siyang cadence sensor that detects how fast the crank is turning. Once gumagalaw yung crank, then the motor will kick in. So you can adjust how fast the motor turns through these pedal assist levels. So you have Eco, Normal, Sport, Turbo, and Turbo Plus. Of course, if you want to pedal the bike without any assist, you can leave it in 0.
Nice.
So other features include front lights.
Oh.
Then may busina.
Asa?
Then if you look at the rear, may brake light din siya.
Nice.
So it has pretty much everything you need for commuting.
Okay, I really like this part, the rear rack, where I can put my stuff for commuting, like extra clothes, my products for business, and usually ba kasama to or separate?
This is a separate product. It's a pannier made by Sakit in collaboration with Pop Cycle.
Nice.
So it's made of X-Pack, so it's water resistant, and it's a roll top. If you look inside, it's pretty spacious. So you can put everything you need for commuting in here.
And this is a 7-speed.
Yes.
How many watts again, the motor? 500?
500 watts.
Oh, okay.
Most electric bike motors are limited to 250 watts, especially in Europe. But since we're in the Philippines, the speed doesn't have to be restricted to 25 kilometers per hour.
And the battery life, how long actually is your estimate for a day if you can use it continuously?
According to Fido, the range can go as far as 90 kilometers, but that'll depend on the rider weight, how fast you're traveling, and the incline. Obviously, kung mabilis yung takbo mo, tapos puro ahon, then mas mabilis maubos yung battery. Kaya maganda dito, kahit mawalan ka ng battery, then mo rin ipa-jack like a normal bike.
Yeah, exactly. So alright, thanks Sir Leandro. So I will personally try this bike and I'll also let you know what I like about this bike on our next episode, and see you guys. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
sobrang bilis. Umabot ako ng 35-40. So parang kasabayan ko na yung mga motor pero nasa bike lane ako. And legit pwede ako sa bike lane because of this C11 e-bike. So meron din siyang pedal assist, kaya meron din siyang throttle mode na napakabilis. Gulat ako, hindi pa naman ako sanay na mabilis. Alright, so I'm going to test this bike. Alright, so mga pinaka nagustuhan ko sa C11 na bike na to is first, throttle mode. At the same time, meron din siyang pedal assist. So para kang nasa motor sa bike lane. And next, meron tayong step-through frame. So yung step-through frame, usually yung frame may bakal dito sa top tube. But for this design, wala siyang top tube para makakatapa ka lang ng madali sa e-bike mo. Okay? And number 3 na nagustuhan ko sa bike na to, marami siyang mounting bolts for your cargo, or pwede kayong mag-mount ng mga dito, bags, and meron din siya sa harap na mount. And yun, pinakagustuhan ko. Next, na-adjust din yung stem niya. So yung stem niya, na-adjust, pwede nyo i-taas baba. At dito naman, napakadali niyang gamitin, and marami siyang mode like eco mode, normal, sport, at pabilis siya ng pabilis. And another feature that I like is fork na siya, parang siyang gravel bike na tires na 700C x 40. So kahit matagtag yung bike lane, kayang-kaya, lalo na pag mabilis ka. So meron din siyang built-in front and back lights dito. Yan.
Ganda.
At kinabitan siya ng sack-in bag of PopCycle collab with sack-in. So ayun, gagamitin ko siya for bike deliveries this month. And sobrang sulit siya, so makakatipid ka sa gas, sa parking, sa traffic. And especially, makakakuha ka ng vitamin D. And nakakakuha ka ng fresh air sa labas. Alright, so that's my review for this Fido C11. So hope you like my video and please subscribe for our next episode bike reviews. Ride safe!